guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click that subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. In today's video, I want to show you how I make my tomato paste for my Nigerian jollof rice and my Nigerian stew. Stay tuned. So I am going to be using 6 fresh tomato. I'm going to be using garlic and plum tomato, tin plum tomato, and that is 2 sliced onions. And I'm going to be using that red long pepper. You can use the round pepper, but I'm using the red long pepper. So I'm trying to slice my pepper into tiny pieces in a way that my blender can blend it easily without any problem. So after slicing my pepper, I am going to slice my tomato. And before you slice your tomato, please make sure that you have already washed your tomato before you then slice your tomato. So I am slicing the tomato and I am putting the one that I have sliced inside the bowl. It is time for me to start blending all my tomato and pepper together. So I have added the fresh tomato and I have added the pepper, and now I just added the plantain tomato, and I'm just adding a little bit of water to help my blender blend it very well. So now I am blending it, and I'm going to blend it until everything blends smoothly together. So after blending it, I am going to be adding it inside the pot. The pot is already on the stove, so I'm adding the blended one inside the pot. So I'm going to repeat this couple of times until I have blended all the tomato. And at this point that you're blending your tomato, you can as well add chili pepper, the Nigerian pepper, or the chili pepper inside it, but I don't like adding chili pepper inside my tomato, because when I am cooking it, after blending it, when I'm cooking it, the pepper smells all over the house and we end up coughing. So I don't add it in the blending when I'm blending the tomato. So now my tomato my tomato is on the stove, and I am going to cook this until all the water evaporates from the tomato, until all the water goes out from the tomato and you are left with thick tomato paste. So now my tomato has been boiling now for a good 20 minutes and is boiling very well. I don't like covering the pot when I'm boiling the tomato. I like to open the pot when I'm boiling the tomato. I don't know why, but that is what I like to do. And now you can see the water is almost going out of the tomato, but I'm gonna keep boiling it until everything goes out of the tomato. So finally all the water has leave or all the water has gone out from the tomato, and I am left with this lovely thick tomato paste. And this is what I'm going to use to make my Nigerian stew, my Nigerian jollof rice. And you can store this in the fridge for about 1 week, and in the freezer for up to a month or 2 months. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.